Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. This is a deck of projects that I'm currently working on. I developed this to try to keep track of work that I'm doing, because it's kind of confusing when there's lots of different stuff going on in different sessions. And the app has, if I click on ingest update, then I can add a prompt here to give instructions about a given project. And I have a few of them that's already done, so I'll show on this one. So I click on here, and I have start a new session. So click on start a new session, and it says the session prompt, copy to the dashboard, paste this into a new AI chat. So this is a prompt that I can put in a new session to resume the session that I was working on. That's the idea. So I'll click a new session here for Gemini and give it the prompt. And let's see how this works. Let's see how good a job it did on setting itself up. So it's, let's see. All right, so I'm going to put in, this is one that's designed to work with on the canvas. This is in Gemini 3, by the way. So let's see, let's do, please do the IVT theorem. Let's see what it does for this. So this is a math web app. So hopefully this works. And let's see. So it didn't put it in the. Here it is. All right. Good. That's what I was hoping to see. All right. So it's right in the code. And then I'll click on the preview as soon as it's done. I can tell when it's done by this this box thing here. When this turns off, then it will have completed the prompt. Also, this thing is spinning. So what this is it's a web app that'll run either in the canvas, or I can grab the code and run it on my local browser, and it should run that way. And this should be showing things about the intermediate value theorem. And here it is. Let's see, so intuition, next. Okay. So this is not as nice as the original one that I had, but it's definitely working. So when I say it's not as nice, the other one that I had a nice, this is very good. It had a little nicer kind of look and feel. It was more of a navy blue, but this is working. So I'm very happy with that. All right. And it shows the, yeah, this is fine. There's nothing, this thing is kind of, I could tweak this. You can see how the box here is cutting off what it's illustrating. So I could just ask it to improve that. But it's got all the essential things here. So the idea is that the first tab is an explanation of the ideas involved in the proof. Then you've got the steps of the proof, and it's not 100% right because the last step should have given a proof, but I can fix this. Anyway, the idea is that in the app that I showed here, the original one here, this app is functioning as a database. It actually has a database that it's using. And then I can go to a session and ask it to, I'll give it a prompt. So it says need the AI prompt. So I'll go like this, and I'll just grab this prompt, and I'll go to some session that I have open. And it can be any AI. So let me try, I've got a ChatGPT session open, and I don't know what this is, but I'll just give it the prompt. And let's see what it says. So the AI is going to read the prompt, and it's going to figure out what was going on in this session, and it's going to fill in the material. And then I will put it in I can put it in the app that I had here. So I'll do ingest update, and I'll put in the response here, and then I'll process it, and it added it right here. So this is the session that I just showed from ChatGPT. It added this here. And if I were to click on here and do start a new session, it would work just like I showed on the other one. So it's a way that I can continue work when that session degrades. And if anyone's interested, I can get the code for this to you on running this. Hopefully it's clear what this is doing. It's a way of bootstrapping sessions to continue work when you run out of room on a given session. That's the basic idea, as well as capturing the work of that session in a way that you can see what was being done, and you can get back to it if you wanted to. Well, thanks for watching, and until next time.